Welcome. Today we are diving into the Take an Interview task, a vital part of the TOEFL speaking section. In this exercise, you must think on your feet and respond to questions immediately without any preparation time, so aim to speak clearly and provide as much detail as possible to demonstrate your fluency. If you're finding these speaking strategies helpful, don't forget to subscribe to myTOEFL for more expert guidance. Let's keep working together to reach your target score. Botanical Garden Tour. B and 14 ports and orchids. This audio is set during a botanical garden tour. As you listen, prepare yourself for specialized vocabulary related to nature and guided visits that you might encounter in this environment. A staff member explains the rules and highlights of the campus botanical garden. You will hear a staff member explaining rules and highlights, so listen for a clear instructional tone that provides specific guidance for visitors. Now, let's look at the exact sentences you will hear and break down the best strategies to remember and repeat them perfectly. Please follow the gravel path to the greenhouse. To hold this in your memory, visualize the gravel path leading directly to the greenhouse. Focus on the smooth connection between the words path to maintain a natural flow. If you want a tour, you must meet the guide at the gate. Trunk this sentence by the requirement, if you want a tour, you must meet the guide. Be sure to emphasize the word must to convey the necessity of the action. The plant sale starts at Greenhouse 3 at 9:15 on Saturday morning. This sentence is detail-heavy, so group Greenhouse 3 and 9:15 as a single informational unit. Practice the precise pronunciation of the time, 9:15, to ensure accuracy in your repetition. You should look out for the small wooden signs. Visualize the small wooden signs to create a strong mental image of the object. Pay close attention to the plural "s" at the end of signs to avoid a common grammatical error. Please do not pick any flowers from the garden. This is a polite negative command, so start with a crisp "please do not." Make sure to clearly enunciate the K in pick and the fick in flowers for maximum clarity. All rare plants are protected by the university staff. Focus on the subject rare plants and the passive verb protected to remember the structure. You must emphasize the ed ending in protected to demonstrate your mastery of past participles. The botanical garden is behind the biology building. Use the spatial anchor behind to link the botanical garden with the biology building. Use a falling intonation on the final word building to signal the end of the statement. Fantastic work today. Success in the listen and repeat task depends on your ability to mirror the speaker's natural rhythm and stress patterns. Focus on maintaining a steady flow and clear pronunciation, and don't let one tricky word disrupt your confidence. Keep practicing, and your fluency will continue to grow.